Good morning, students. As we know, we have started our concept 1.1 in lesson 1. Lesson 1, that is representing the earth, and in that the concept 1, that is maps and globes. We have seen the difference between the maps and globes. We will say that map is in a two-dimensional figure and globe, that is a three-dimensional figure. That is called as a globe. That is a three-dimensional figure. And actually we are going to discuss the topic points today, the important points and lines on a globe. Now we are going to learn about this globe, and this is the globe. We will say that it is also the representing the earth. It is the representing earth. And the maps, you know the map is in a two-dimensional figure, and second one is a globe. And we are going to discuss about the globe today. We will learn how to read the globe, and how to identify the corresponding country, how to find the corresponding country on the globe. These are the three-dimensional figure, and it is called as a globe. And we are going to discuss these points, important points on that. The first point is North Pole and South Pole. These two topics we will see first. What is the North Pole and what is the South Pole? This is the globe, and in that globe, the upper point, that is the top point, can you see that point? That is the North Pole. This is the North Pole, and this is below, that is South Pole. This is South Pole, this is North Pole. These are the two poles we have discussed. 2 points, North Pole and South Pole, above equator and below equator. Now we will see the third point, equator. Equator is there. What is equator? Can you see that the horizontal line? That is a horizontal line. This horizontal line makes and divide the total hemisphere into two parts. There is the two parts are there, na? By this line. That is, this line is called an equator. This is equator. These blue lines. This is the blue line. This is the equator. We will see North Pole, South Pole and equator. That is North Pole, South Pole, second one, and this is in between the North and South Pole, that is the equator is there. Is it? And we can say that above, ये इक्वेटर लाइन के ऊपर का कौन सा पोल होगा? नॉर्थ पोल, और ये इक्वेटर लाइन के नीचे का दैट इज साउथ पोल. मींस ये इक्वेटर से क्या हो रहा है? ये टोटल हेमिस्फीयर के दो पार्ट्स हो रहे हैं. इज इट? इसके दो पार्ट होने वाले हैं, ये नॉर्थ पोल, साउथ पोल एंड इक्वेटर. Third one is prime meridian. Prime meridian, that is the vertical line. Can you see the vertical line here? That is the vertical line. This is the vertical line, that is the prime meridian. This is the prime meridian. इतना ही, half, only half is there. यहाँ से इतना, that is the prime meridian. और इसके opposite 180 degree meridian. We will say that. ये 180 degree meridian. Can you see that? ये 180 डिग्री मेरिडियन, हाफ यहाँ से यहाँ तक और इधर से इधर तक, दैट इज प्राइम मेरिडियन. वी कैन से दैट इज द वर्टिकल लाइन. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न. इट्स वेरी इजी. नाउ वी विल सी दैट ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. कैन यू सी दैट नेम, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर? Tropic of Cancer, it is the imaginary line above the equator, and second one, Tropic of Capricorn, we will see the below side, that is Tropic of Capricorn. That is Tropic of Capricorn, that is the line below the equator. This is the equator. Equator के नीचे वाला Tropic of Capricorn और equator के ऊपर वाला Tropic of Cancer is there. We will see that two things. Is it? So in that globe we have seen that North Pole above the equator line, the pole which is above the equator, that is the pole actually. North is the pole. Is it? The equator above the equator. Where is the North Pole? Above the equator. That is the North Pole, and that is above the equator, and that is the South Pole. That is the end side. These are the two end sides of the globe. Is it? That is below the equator. Where is the South Pole? Below the equator. And equator, that is the imaginary line between the North and South Pole. And what will be called to that sphere? That sphere becomes half. That is hemisphere. And that one is northern and southern hemisphere. Equator divides the two terms. Due to equator, there are two terms are found. That one term is called as a northern and second one is called as a southern hemisphere, but not sphere. Sphere, that is total sphere. ये पूरा sphere है, total sphere. And half को क्या बोलेंगे? Hemisphere. ये इक्वेटर से जो ऊपर वाला हो गया, ये ऊपर वाला साइड, इक्वेटर की ऊपर वाली साइड कौन सी हो गई? नॉर्थर्न हेमिस्फीयर, अब ये साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर. So the globe, we understand all the concept related to that thing. Tropic of Cancer, northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn, that is southern hemisphere. These are the important points according to our syllabus. And the next topic, making a globe. It's very easy. Globe कैसे बनता है? ये बना कैसे? How globe found? It consists of partially part of each map, है ना? Part से बना है, छोटे-छोटे part से. छोटे-छोटे parts means what? How the diagrams is shown on the page number 5. Page number 5. We can see that diagram. This is the diagram. Making a globe. Globe कैसे बनाए? ये एक part, ऐसे पूरे parts. It is the mixture of every section. सेक्शन लिया है इसका. सेक्शन मीन्स व्हाट? ये इतना पार्ट यहाँ से लिया, थोड़ा सा पार्ट यहाँ से लिया, और ये पार्ट्स को क्या किया? इसको एक स्फीयर में अरेंज किया. ऐसे ये पार्ट्स को ऐसे अरेंज किया, वन बाय वन. यहाँ का एक पार्ट, यहाँ का एक पार्ट, यहाँ का एक, ऐसे पार्ट बना के इसको स्फीयर में अरेंज किया. स्फीयर में अरेंज करने के बाद बन चुका है ग्लोब. ऐसे बनेगा ग्लोब. ग्लोब कैसे बनाए? सेक्शन, या ऐसे सेक्शन जॉइंट किए हैं, एंड देन इट इज फाउंड एज एन ग्लोब. मींस इन दैट लेसन वी हैव लर्न दैट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मैप्स एंड ग्लोब्स. मैप्स क्या होता है, ग्लोब्स क्या होता है? फॉर द रिवीजन पर्पस वी विल से दैट मैप इज एन अ टू डायमेंशनल फिगर. मैप कैसे होगा? मैप टू डायमेंशनल फिगर होती है, दैट इज द मैप. अब ये मैप है टू डायमेंशनल, इसमें लेंथ है और विड्थ है, ओनली दो ही डायमेंशन होंगे. टू डायमेंशनल मींस दो ही डायमेंशन, लेंथ और विड्थ, इतने ही मेजरमेंट होते हैं इसके अंदर. सो दैट मैप इज कॉल्ड एज एन टू डायमेंशनल फिगर. एंड दैट इज ग्लोब इट इज द थ्री डायमेंशनल फिगर. भाई थ्री डायमेंशनल, इसमें लेंथ है, विड्थ है और डेप्थ भी है. three dimensions are important in that figure, so that the globe is called as a three-dimensional figure and map is called as a two-dimensional figure. और ग्लोब में जो हमको जो पॉइंट डिस्कस करने थे, नॉर्थ पोल पता होना चाहिए, साउथ पोल, इक्वेटर, प्राइम मेरिडियन, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न इज देयर. These are only the important points according to the syllabus, and we have seen that in deep what are the points and the explanation of that points, and hope you all understand these all the points. And I will say that is the concept 1.1 maps and globes has been finished, and our second concept is latitudes and longitudes. We will see in the next video, that is what is the latitude and longitudes. When we will check that longitude and latitudes are mentioned on the globe, and we will see the in detail with the explanation in the next video. For today video, that is enough, and we must have to learn all the related things of the concept 1.1, that is maps and globes. Once you understand now the difference between maps and globes, then you can answer all types of questions, and you can solve all types of queries into the in that lesson. Hope you all understand, and the remaining part we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.